Alright, today's video, a review of the Vivitar 4K Ultra HD Action Cam. Got this for $40 shipped on eBay. A few sellers are selling it for under $50, brand new in the package. At Walmart, these cost $80. $80 is a bit steep, but for $40, I'll give it a shot. This is Vivitar's cheapest action cam, the DVR 757 HD, $30 brand new at Walmart. I bought this one right away when I saw it. $30 is a good impulse price. $80 isn't, but I went ahead and looked it up and found it for $40. So for comparison's sake, I will show footage of this one too and compare it to this. And what am I expecting out of this camera? I'm expecting it to be as good as my 4 or 5-year-old Hero 3. We're at Hero 7 now. I bought this 4 or 5 years ago, $150 refurbished from Go Pro's website. You could get them now for around $89 on Go Pro's website. I think a Hero 4 is about $100. So the fact that this costs $80, I'm expecting it to come close to the Hero 3 at least, because you could get these for $89 refurbished. So is it worth going brand new over refurbished? Let's find out. So it seems like Vivitar is going for the GoPro market directly for 1/3 the price, half the price, because it comes with a waterproof mount, open frame mount, and what I like even about the low-end model is it has a viewing screen. This version also has a viewing screen. It should. If the low-end model does, this one should too. Even has a battery saver. That's cool. My Hero 3, way outdated. No viewing screen. GoPros didn't get viewing screens till Hero 5, but yeah, 4 or 5 years later, I still have this. I still use it all the time. I was going to use this one, but I don't like the quality of this one at all. So I'm hoping this one is comparable to my old Hero 3. I'm expecting similar quality, because like I said, you could get a Hero 3 refurb now for $89. Hero 4s go for $100, and I want to say the Hero 5s with the viewing screen go for about $120 on GoPro's website. So, you know, no need to go $200 to $400 for the Hero 7. Still using my Hero 3. So hopefully this is pretty close, comes close to quality to the Hero 3. One more thing to note, what I like about this one already, separate battery, just like a GoPro. This one, it's internal, so no way of replacing the battery. So, you know, it's pretty much a disposable product once the battery stops charging. With this one, you could always get a replacement. Okay, you just saw the footage of all three cameras, and I gotta say, I'm impressed with the Vivitar 4K. $40 to $50 is a great deal. I bought mine for $40 shipped, brand new, and there's plenty of deals for it for $50 and less, brand new. $80 is a little steep. For $80, I still would get a Hero 3 or a Hero 4 refurbished. I think the quality is still better, and there's more options like external mics. But if you getting an action camera, you know, if 80 is just too much and $40 or $50 will let you get an action camera, the Vivitar 4K is good. I threw in a review of the 757. Of course, it's not going to match with the Vivitar, which is $80 retail, and you know, GoPro's retail $200 minimum. Hero 7 is $200 brand new. The cheapest package $400 for top of the line. You know, it's only a Hero 3, but it's still a GoPro. So of course this won't match up for $30 to a, you know, $30 camera. You know, $80 camera, and still an $80 refurb camera. But if you think the quality is good enough for the 757, then you know, it's your channel. Pick it up if it's acceptable. So another thing I like about the Vivitar is it has mounts, so you could do outside car videos. But the advantage of the GoPro is, like I said, you could do external mics and rig up the microphone behind the car, so you're getting all exhaust sound. The problem with these waterproof casings is it's going to be muffled, and the Vivitar doesn't have an external mic option from what I know. If it does, then it definitely gets it closer to the GoPro. This one's waterproof stock, but you're definitely going to get wind noise if you try to mount this outside of your car and go faster than 20 miles per hour. So yeah, this is not going to work outside of a car. This one will, but the sound will be muffled because of the clear casing. And like I said, the GoPro has a clear casing too, but you could just skip the clear case and run an external mic. So that's the advantage of a GoPro. And then another thing I like about this camera is this worked with the mount just fine. I just used this part with it. So the footage was a little shaky. I think I used too many extensions here, but they all were on the same mount. The Vivitar and the GoPro had a similar picture, and the 757 was a little bit zoomed in. So it's all your preference, but definitely $40 to $50. This is definitely a good deal. I think 80 is still a little steep though.